Welcome to Smart Factory TV, news for the manufacturing industry in 60 seconds.
Everybody knows messenger apps. They are great for quickly and easily telling a friend you're running a little late for a call or asking a neighbor if they can spare some milk. However, would you trust it with sensitive data about your manufacturing operations? Certainly not. Thanks to the HYDRA Messaging Services, you can send messages just as easily and without any security concerns. Another advantage is that messages are recorded in the system and are available for later analysis. HYDRA Messaging Services works on the shop floor terminal, on the HYDRA Office client, and on smartphones or tablets. Contact us or visit our homepage at mpvdv.com for more information.